Hey everyone. In this episode of ITS Now, we are reviewing the Highways UK 2022 exhibition and conference that was held at the National Exhibition Centre near Birmingham. This was a really busy event, so sit back and see our highlights from this important highways fixture. I'm Alistair and this is ITS Now.
So it's been a really busy day so far. This is Wednesday afternoon. It's been a lot of people here at Highways UK so far. I was on in the ITS Theatre a bit earlier, but I thought we'd just do a little walk around. So Highways UK is slightly different to some of the other exhibitions in that it's got 10 conference theatres at this particular exhibition and a very broad range of exhibitors. So there's all sorts of different types of equipment. So from an ITS perspective, we've got exhibitors like Swarco behind me, and then in the sort of portable temporary sphere, we've got SRL behind me there. So there's all sorts of things going on. It's very broad. So we've got here an exhibition. Looks like toilet blocks, but they're welfare units that are being exhibited here. So it's not quite the same as some of these others. Anyway, all sorts of things. There's sort of new bits of PPE there. Just going past one of the theatres at the moment. This is the Skanska Sustainability Theatre. We know quite a few of the sort of regular exhibitors in the ITS sphere are all here. Our friends at NAL are just here. There they are, showing off all of their sort of kit. And then others such as Westco Tech there, so signs and some cameras. But yeah, it's a whole gamut of different types of kit and equipment that you can lose yourself at. One item that I particularly liked, because of the sheer scale of it, is this solar array behind me. And you can really see how much times have changed when you get something as big as that. Look at the size of that. As a temporary power supply for use out on site, so that you don't need to use mains connections and things. You don't have to put that in. Yeah. Anyway, we'll do a few close-ups. We'll talk to a few of the companies, look at some of the new equipment. So hang on and we'll see how that goes.
Please remember to like and subscribe to keep updated with ITS Now.
It was a really busy exhibition and conference. I was told that there were over 5,000 visitors on the first day alone, and certainly it was very noticeably active, with large crowds looking at the exhibition and attending the conference programme across the 10 theatre spaces. Whilst I chaired panel sessions on building in climate resilience to ITS infrastructure and the importance of a data strategy for transport, it was noticeable that on the run-up to COP27, carbon reduction and climate resilience were key topics across the whole conference programme, and also for many goods and services in the exhibition. So I was really pleased that my climate resilience session for ITS infrastructure in particular was overflowing with delegates. If you'd like to know more about this subject, see our climate resilience and carbon conundrum episodes on ITS Now. I'll put links in the information below. I also attended the Highways Awards dinner during the event, and as well as showcasing some great projects and talent in the highway sector, it also touched on the work of a couple of charities, including the Lighthouse Club, which helps to support those working in the construction sector cope with a wide range of issues. I also got to meet the host Martin Roberts, who opened the evening with a few great dad jokes. Elsewhere at the event, it was good to see a good number of graduates and school pupils taking the opportunity to learn more about the wide-ranging scope of opportunities within the sector. Well done to organisers Terrapin for staging such a great event. Okay, a reminder that if you or your company would like to be involved in an episode of a series, please feel free to get in contact. Thank you to the increasing numbers of companies who we are currently working with, including those of you who approach me about collaborations at Highways UK. And lastly, could I please ask you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already? It really does help us to bring you further videos about ITS, and thank you if you have subscribed. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.